Okay, about this bug that was talking about difference in the score of two people. Uh, so here is what's happening. Like uh, for Charlie here, that is I am downloading the stream of Charlie. So this is my downloading score. So I am what I am receiving from the Charlie. So my connection is receiving. So if my connection is good, I will be able to receive correctly. Like I will be able to download it correctly, and the score will be 10. On this point here for Charlie, uh, I am downloading as I'm downloading the stream of Kasim. So it will be depending upon my internet connection. So if my internet connection is correct, I will be able to download it properly. So when I am downloading the stream correctly, then my score will be 10. It can vary. It cannot be same for two users. Like this browser here, Kasim, it cannot see the same score for Charlie that Charlie is seeing for himself or he is seeing for the Kasim. For example, on this browser as a Kasim, I can see my score is 10. Um, but on this browser, the Charlie can see the Kasim score is 8 because Charlie is downloading the stream of Kasim, and depending upon the internet connection, the score is 10. So like they are not properly or because they don't are not on a good connection, so they are not downloading it properly. So why this Kasim is seeing the 10 and this Charlie is seeing 8? It's because Kasim is uploading the data and this score is for uploading. So I can upload it properly, and I have a good upload speed, so it's going up properly. And if the score is low, then it's mean my upload speed is not correct, and I have to do something like refresh this. I will click on this refresh icon. So my upload speed is correct, and now when Charlie is viewing that, he will be able to see his download speed, like his download score. So it is depending upon the download speed of Charlie. So that means the Charlie's download speed is not good enough. So here what's happening, it's like Abdul wasn't able to download the stream of Barry properly, so it wasn't problem with the Barry's connection, it's the with the Abdul connection. So that's what is telling. So the reason behind it, like there could be 3 or 4 streams and only one stream can have a problem. So we cannot display it for like Charlie. So Charlie connection, like if there this score is 8, I cannot display it on this score because this score is good. I have to calculate the upload speed here. So on this the data is going to the server, and on this data is coming from the server. So both are different, and if there are like 3 or 4 corrections, 3 or 4 users, then this score can quickly identify that where which stream is giving you the issue, which stream is giving the problem. Like low score mean you will be able to hear less, like there will be breaking in sound, or there will be fluctuation in sound, like sound will be breaking up or something like that. So to identify this score is used. So if someone's sound is breaking up, a user can quickly know that whose score is low and whose sound is breaking up for me. And we can display the red icon here, so that will tell that this connection is not good and you are not hearing them properly.